Hello everyone, this is Teacher Rockie and welcome again to our YouTube channel. For today's video we will share to you what is TikTok series and how to earn more than 500,000 here per series. Hello everyone, are you excited to our topic for today? If yes, watch this video until the end so you will learn about this new feature of TikTok where you can monetize and earn in your TikTok videos. Recently, TikTok announced a new way or features for creators to monetize their content, called Series. Series is a new feature of TikTok that gives eligible creators the opportunity to post a collection of premium content behind a paywall and get paid for that content on TikTok. Meaning you need some buyers to purchase your listed series to start earning in this feature. The range of amount you can earn per series is $0.99 to $190 or 50 pesos to 10,000 pesos. But your earning depend on your series price and sold. More series you sold, the more money you will get. Like this, for example, this series is all about fitness and exercise, where she gives some exercise tutorials to her viewers, and this series contain 11 videos including its trailer. And there are 6,790 to buyers for this series only. The price of her series is 120 pesos or $1.99. The price she set up, she will only get $1.39 or 78.48 pesos because the service fee or tax is already removed. So let's compute her earnings. 6,792 times $1.39 is equal to $9,440.88 or 533,036.16 pesos. It's amazing, right? She earned that big amount for only one series. So if you really want also to earn more money just like her, and TikTok already invite you to join TikTok series, grab it immediately. Because series is currently available to selected eligible creators only, meaning your account follow all the requirements of TikTok new features. If you think this video is not enough to understand what is TikTok series and how it works, visit our series in our TikTok account, Teacher Rockie. We have completed guide there about TikTok series worth 60 pesos. This is then of this video. Thank you for watching.